Hi, I'm Josh from BoostFloral. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a really great website on BoostFloral from start to finish. It just takes a few minutes. So let's walk through the process here. So the first step is to go to the Start for Free option and enter the account information that you'd like to use for BoostFloral. So I'm going to make something up. We're just going to call it, video testing at testing.com, something like that. And I'll give it a password, testing 1, 2, 3, exclamation point, and let's see if I just copy. All right, I'll confirm I'm not a robot. That's fine, so there. Okay. Now, I'm just going to save that there for now. So this is the screen that you land at once you create your account, and this is going to walk you through the process. So let's get started on this. I think I called my shop, I'll call it video testing for now, and I'm just going to make up some address here. We'll pick 123 William Street, and we'll say my email is info@videotesting.com. All of this information can be changed later if you just want to get through the process, and since I'm just going to delete this account when I'm done, doesn't really matter. I'm not going to use any of these services. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the template that I want to use as a starting point. Now if you know anything about BoostFloral, you know that it's completely customizable, but these are starting points that you can use so you're not starting with a blank slate. So what you could do is, I already know which template I want to use, but you can go through and view each of these templates to figure out which template you'd like to use before getting started. I'm going to choose this template city template right here. I like this template, so all I do is select it, and I'm going to press next. And so now it starts building my site for me. It's setting this up with the information that I've selected and choosing this template. All right, great, that's it. So now I have a website that's ready to go based on this template. So I'm going to finish that. And now I land on a dashboard here that has some onboarding steps to take my website live. When I'm ready to launch it live, I'm going to want to set up my tax rate, my delivery charges, upload logos, things like that. But for now, it's added, here's my product list. It's added all of the catalog products that were part of that template have been added to my product list. And then I can also go and view my website. I can press here to preview it. So I'll do that now, and you'll see it's going to open up in a new tab. This is my website that I can start customizing. So if I want to customize it, I can go into my edit site here, and here's the sections on this page. If I want to change and edit a different page, I can choose the page. I can also go in and add new pages or change the navigation if I choose to. In my header right now, I'm going to want to change my logo, so I will just delete the template logo and upload my own logo. To do that, I'll just press the change logo. I'll upload my logo. I'm going to just type logo in here, and I'll just choose this logo to upload, and then I'll save it. And now it's uploading my logo. And what it's doing is it's uploading it into my images gallery. So in my image gallery is where I'm going to put all of my pictures. And then from there, I can choose to select that as my logo. So now you can see I've updated the logo on my site. One of the many unlimited changes that I can make to it. If I don't like these banner colors, I can change all of those things in the header. I can go through and update all of the colors, the backgrounds, the fonts. If I want to change the colors of all of the scheme itself, all of that is available for changing. The typography that it's using on the site can easily be changed, as well as sizes and weights. So there's a lot of ability to customize this however you choose. But you can see with what I've done already, I have a website that's ready to go, and I could actually take this website live right now if I wanted to, if it was ready, and using these products right here. All right, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, contact us at info@boostfloral.com. Thanks for watching.